So friends, hope you're well. Today I will guide you how you can get Google Ads reports on daily basis on Gmail or on your Google Sheet or Slack. That is very easy through the automation in make.com. So we will create the automation today step by step, so you can follow the exact steps and create it by yourself. So we will have the trigger of the Google Ad campaign reports. So I will write the keyword here, campaign, and you can see this tool, Google Ad reports, and we will use this step, run a campaign report. So yeah, we have the step edit. We have to add the data of the account ID of our Google Ads. So I will choose one, and let's leave the campaign ID for now. You can put a specific ID of a campaign, so you can see only the results of a single campaign. But here, if we don't put any ID here, it will show the result of all the campaigns. And in start date, I will be putting the now function, that is of current date. So if you go here in date and time, you can see the variable now. If you hover the mouse on this, it will tell you current date and time. So I will map that here. I will copy this and put that in end date as well. So according to this, I will be only getting the data for the current day, and I just set the limit to 10. We can change it to 100 or 200. It is actually the number of bundles you want to receive, like how many impressions, how many bundles per campaign you are getting. Like if you have one campaign, you will get one bundle. So I can show this practically. We will run this campaign module, and you can see I only have two bundles, as I only have two campaigns in my Google Ad account. And if you go into the metrics, we can see the impression and all the stuff, all the data. We don't have enough results for now, but yeah, this is like running perfectly. You can start your campaigns, automate that, and get this result here in make.com. Through make.com, you can automate this to Gmail, to Google Sheet, or any tool where you want updates. So we will actually schedule this to run daily at 9 o'clock 20 time, like 9:30. It will be running every day on 9:30. I didn't turn this on, but yeah, you can turn it on after it is set up. So after this, we will add a module of Google Sheet row, Google Sheet add row. So we need to create a connection here. We can make the connection later, but yeah, let me actually make the connection for you, so you can do it yourself as well. I'll use this account, and after that you have to click continue, and it will add the connection. And you can map the data from the previous module in this module. If you are not using Google Sheet, you can use Gmail, send an email. So we need to create the connection for Gmail as well, and similarly we can use Slack. So how you will be like mapping the data, I can just tell you. But map the data here in the variable. So here you just have to map the exact data that you want, like the date, the campaign name, the clicks, and like whatever you want, the views, conversions, everything. It will be offering you. You just have to click on one thing, like the campaign name. And if I write the name here, campaign name, like this variable will be giving us the campaign name. And I'm running this again, and here you will see the output. The campaign name is Chartered Accountant Stream 10. And if it will be a mail, like send email, it will send the email with the data that you will map. And hope this is useful. And if you have any question, you can ping me on my Gmail or on my WhatsApp. I'll definitely help you, and I can create customized automations for you. So keep in touch, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.